Then here 5%. Then the first value 5% will be used for the top left corner. You can imagine. Then the second value will be what? Top left is over, and followed by we have what? Top right, right? Top right. So of 7% is generally applied to the top right, top right. And finally we have what is this bottom left. Finally this 9% applied to this bottom left corners. Okay, this is what this is how the third values will be applied to that um, to that complete box, or you can say that a square box, like that. One second. Yeah, okay. And if you take when you have these four values, if you want to apply this all four values like 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, how it will be applied means, then here the first value will be the radius of this top left, and second value top right, and third value bottom left, and finally then the third value will be applied to the bottom right, and here finally the fourth value will be applied to this bottom left. This is how all values are applied to the particular box. Okay. If you there is a difference, like there is a difference between single value, two values, triple values, and four values. Mm, Here actually I have to do some coding, then only you can understand how it will be applied. So, should I do now?
Is it visible, ma'am?
One second, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, open notepad. Ma'am, your screen is not visible. Clarity is missing actually. I think so. You have poor internet network. Santoshi, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Is it visible or not?
Yeah, it is visible.
Is this visible?
Ma'am, clarity is missing.
Then you carry on, because I don't think that we can continue like this.
Yes,
We'll share
think
the
so.
content for the interns, okay, in the group. We'll carry on.
Ma'am, do anyone have any alternate solution? Yes, please tell me. Actually, I have shifted to another village, so that's why. Is it okay for you to explain all the theory concepts? Yes, please respond.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. What? Sanjay sir, sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So tell me another any solutions.
Right now, I have no solution.
Santoshi ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, tell me, ma'am, what should we do now? There is, now there is a lot of syllabus to complete.
Yeah, ma'am, I know that. And all these classes are ending on 10th of September. We have to cover before
Yes.
that.
Yeah.
Anyone have any suggestions? Please
A- Any
type in the
solution,
chat
any
box.
alternate solution? Yes, can I take daytime sessions like morning times, like 9 to 1? Is it okay for you all?
And actually, tomorrow is Sunday. It can be possible on Sunday, like in the noon. It can be possible if interns are
Yeah.
agreed.
No.
क्या उससे क्लास चल रही है
College classes are there, ma'am. Yeah, yeah, I know. Even I have.
We are talking about Sunday, like tomorrow is Sunday, na? So we can take classes tomorrow as much as possible. Like we can cover tomorrow or end the CSS part at least tomorrow.
Ma'am, Sandesh ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
we will discuss
Yeah,
it
ma'am.
personally. Uh, shall we end up
Okay,
this
okay, okay.
session now? Yeah.
Yeah, we have.
Guess you can leave now. You don't worry. I will explain everything. You don't worry about that. I will complete all the CSS part. I will take you. I will take all. I will take extra classes. Yeah, I will take extra classes. This is the only solution. From Monday, I think so.
Yeah, others can leave now except Sanjeev sir and Naja ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Please leave. What this? Komal Deepak Boya. Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am.
tell me, ma'am. Actually, I want to quit this internship, but you are saying that it is not possible
Yeah,
right
we
now
can't
because
because
there are few days.
yeah, yeah, we have to complete the internship. Only then we can
Yes,
leave.
ma'am. Yeah.
Sanjeev sir, have you any solution for that?
I
Actually,
think
I'm not at my hometown. You know,
I think I'm
Tell
going
me,
to take
sir.
some extra classes tomorrow, like 2 to 3 hours continue. So it's important that how to cover the syllabus.
Yeah, only that
Sir,
is
actually, my
possible.
big sir,
Because
actually, my big bomb
Monday,
expired.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I'm
my big
continue.
bomb. Yeah, my big mom expired 2 day. I mean, oh, sorry, 3 days back. So we came to another village. Actually,
Ma'am,
this is a village,
I,
and
yeah,
it is a
I want
rainy
to add,
season.
we have to just explain the basics of CSS and JavaScript. So only bind the session with the CSS, only basically which are necessary things in CSS in one day,
Yeah,
or
yeah,
just move on Django part,
yeah.
because they
Okay, ma'am.
they will do by themselves, because they can do from Google or
Yeah,
from other resources. They can do the CSS. Just explain about the basis of JavaScript and move on to Django part. Just take 2 or 3 days for this.
sure.
Uh,
Yeah, okay then.
Mr. Yeah, only take 2 days for this, and it will be, I think, convenient for all of us if we are doing it in this way.
Okay,
Yeah,
I will
because
try.
that was not in our syllabus to complete all of this. Just the Python part,
Yes.
basics of this, and the Django part.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. That you can take sessions, extra sessions accordingly, whenever you
Ma'am, I
want.
will take classes from Monday.
Yeah, you
Ma'am, I
can.
will take
It's
classes
not
from
worry,
Monday.
because
Yeah.
because I and
Yeah,
Sanjay
I'm
are starting the fourth batch from 1st of September. We have to start from 1st of September, and I have exams also. Just
Yeah, even I have exams, ma'am. I have some exams from September 6 to September 22.
yeah, that's why we are unable to cooperate with all of this,
Yes.
because the schedule is very busy.
Yes.
So that's all. If
Okay, ma'am. Take
anything,
care.
yeah, yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
No, ma'am. No. Okay, sir. Take care.
yeah, okay, man.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.